Hello, everyone. This is Dale Howard, the Director of Education for Progility. It is my pleasure to welcome you to our Progility On Demand webinar series on tips and tricks for using Microsoft Project more effectively. In our first set of tips and tricks, we will show you how to display the Work Breakdown Structure, or WBS, in the Resource Usage view. In Microsoft Project, the work breakdown structure consists of a series of summary tasks and subtasks that give logical and meaningful organization to the project. In my project, I have the pre-renovation summary task, which represents the first phase of the project. I have the design summary task, which represents the first deliverable section of the project. And I have the office packup summary task that represents the second deliverable section of the project. When you navigate to the resource usage view, you see project resources along with each of the tasks to which they are assigned. So, for example, for Amy McKay, you can see all of the tasks to which she is assigned. So what I would like to do is to be able to see the summary tasks that go with each of the tasks assigned to Amy McKay and all of her fellow team members. How do you do this? In Microsoft Project, it requires a trick. Navigate to the View ribbon, and then in the Data section of the ribbon, click the Group by Pick List button and select the first group, Assignments, Keeping, Outline, Structure. Think of that as tasks with summary tasks. So when I apply that grouping, notice that Microsoft Project now displays every summary task with blue cell background formatting, and then the regular tasks or detailed tasks are shown in white. So that's the trick for how to display summary tasks in the resource usage view. In our second set of tips and tricks, we will show you how to view resource information in a task view. In my Microsoft Project schedule, I just assigned Jerry King to work on the task Design. I assign Jerry at a units value of 100% or full time on the task. I also assigned him to work 40 hours. Microsoft Project calculated a duration of 5 days for this task. However, there's a bit of a mystery. If you look at the Gantt bar in the Gantt chart pane, the duration of the task is 5 days, but the Gantt bar spans 6 days, Monday of the first week through Monday of the second week. Something is wrong. Whenever you run into one of these mysteries in Microsoft Project with scheduling, I can tell you that the answer many times is it has something to do with a resource calendar. So I would like to look at the resource calendar for Jerry King right now. Let me show you the trick of how to view resource information from a task view. What I'll do is this. In the bottom pane, I'll double-click the name Jerry King. That displays the resource information dialog for Jerry. This is now resource information being displayed in a task view. And then if I click the Change Working Time button, I can see the Change Working Time dialog for Jerry King, and here is the answer. On Friday of that week, Jerry is taking a personal day. All right, mystery solved. It was as I predicted. It was a resource calendar issue. So that's how to display resource information in a task view. In our third set of tips and tricks, we will show you how to delay the start of a resource assignment on a task with multiple resources assigned. In my project schedule, I want to assign 3 resources to the build task. They are Larry Barnes, Mickey Cobb, and Sarah Baker. I want to assign each of them to work full-time for 40 hours, but with the following requirement. I want the resource assignments to be staggered. I want Larry Barnes to work 40 hours. When he's finished, then I want Mickey Cobb to work 40 hours. And when she's finished, then I want Sarah Baker to work 40 hours. So let me show you a couple tricks on how to make this resource assignment. First, right mouse click anywhere in the white or gray part of the Gantt chart pane and select Show Split on the shortcut menu. This will display the task entry view for the selected task. Then in the bottom pane, go ahead and select the names of the 3 resources. So I'll select Larry, Mickey, and Sarah. Then put in the units value of 100% for each of them, and then enter the work estimate as well. When you click the OK button, Microsoft Project will calculate the duration of 5 days. This schedules all 3 to work in parallel, starting at the same time. How do we stagger their work? Here's how. Right-click anywhere in the task form pane at the bottom, and on the shortcut menu, choose the Schedule set of details. This displays the schedule set of columns and fields in the task form view. You will notice there is a column called Delay. We're going to delay Mickey Cobb's work for 5 working days. So I'll go ahead and put in 5 there. And we're going to delay Sarah Baker's start for 10 days. This is how we stagger the assignments. When I click OK, Microsoft Project now calculates the new duration of 15 days. This schedules Larry to start and work the first week, to have Mickey Cobb start and work the second week, and to have Sarah Baker start and work the third week. Has this webinar generated interest in our services and solutions? If so, please contact Sarah Howard using the contact information shown on this slide. Also, don't forget to visit our website and our blog page as well. Thanks for watching our on-demand webinar today.